Hello everyone, this is Peter and this is the hands-on video of the new Google Maps that just got released in Google I/O 2013. So let's check it out. So here is the user interface of the new Google Maps. Google has made several nice improvements to the maps. The first and the most obvious one is the search bar. It is now built within the maps, which I guess has a better look. And if you hover your mouse onto the search bar, you can see the basic options such as traffic, transit, bicycling, and directions. Now, everything begins if you start typing. First, you'll see the recent searches. This is really convenient sometimes. Okay, so let's type a place such as the CN Tower. The map will bring you there, and the info cards will show up under the search bar. The usual stuff such as the address, options, street view, photos, reviews, and the main features. Now, one really interesting thing is that the maps highlights the roads or streets that are related to the location. Others are grayed out. This is especially helpful if you are looking for the major intersection of a certain location. The second improvement is directions feature. So let's type in locations such as Pearson International Airport. It is going to bring us there as usual when you type in the search. But if you click on directions, we'll pick CN Tower as our starting point. The new feature or the improvement is that you can now compare different transportation modes together in one view window. So for example, now it shows the driving options here, and then it shows the transit option. It will show the time and the distance involved in there. That's actually a nice touch, because sometimes you will find yourself deciding between driving or taking public transit. This is really helpful to compare your time and distance. If you go somewhere far, such as the Parliament Hill in Ottawa, it will also have the option of flights. You can compare flights with transit and driving. This is actually really interesting. And for flights, you can actually compare the costs as well. So that's the directions feature. Now the third improvement is the satellite and the Earth view. What Google did was that they combined the satellite view and the Earth view together into one section called the Earth. So if you click on the Earth, it will switch to the satellite view of the area you're looking at. What's different from the satellite view is that you can now tilt the view, just like the Google Earth. In some other cities like New York, Boston, or San Francisco, it will have 3D buildings, but I don't know why in Toronto it doesn't have it. But if you live in other cities, they might have the 3D buildings as well. So that's the full Google Earth experience. If you click tilt the view, it will again it will bring you back to the satellite view. The fourth improvement is the street view / photos section. So if we go to a place such as the Royal Ontario Museum or ROM, when you click on street view, of course it will bring you to the street view. But street view has not changed much. Basically the navigation section changed to a new design. But what's really different is the image bar down at the bottom. You can switch between street views and the photos uploaded by other users, such as you can look at the photos and always go back to street view. If you want to hide it, you can always click on hide imagery, and that gives you the full view of the street view. If you want to go back to the Google Maps section, you can always click on back to Maps. Another thing I have to mention about the photo slash street view bar is that they also have photo tours if you search a city's name, such as Toronto. And if you click on the photo tours, it will bring you like on a tour of photos, basically. They were all made by the photos uploaded by Google's users. And Google combines all the pictures together to form like a tour that brings you around a certain place. And lastly, I have to tell you guys how to get the new Google Maps. So if you go to maps.google.com, you will see the classic Maps window right here. On the left, there will be a section called Get New Google Maps. And one thing I have to mention though is that the new Google Maps right now is not accessible by everyone, which means you have to request an invite. So if you click on find out how, it will bring you to a page that introduces all the new features of the new Google Maps. So you just have to click on this button, request an invite, and then you have to fill out your email address, and after a while Google will send you an email that says you are in, and they will give you a link which leads you to this page called congratulations, and you just have to click on start exploring. It'll bring you to the new version of the Google Maps. So that's it guys, this is basically all the major improvements of the new Google Maps. There's other small improvements as well, but I'll leave these ones for you guys to explore. And as always, if you are interested in tech, please subscribe to my channel. It's all about tech, and I'll release more tech videos in the future. Please like this video if you really liked it, and if you want to comment, please do so. And I'm Peter. This is the overview of the new Google Maps, and I'll see you next time.